Nityananda Nagara, Bangalore, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Tiruvanmiyur, Chennai, Melbourne, Australia, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Vancouver, Bhubaneswar, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, Seattle, Chidambaram, Singapore, Singapuram, Wellington, New Zealand. So I welcome all of you with my love and blessings. I can see now Port Washington, New York, Port Washington, New York and Hong Kong, Sirgari. I can see all of you. My blessings. I also welcome all the devotees who gathered for Kalpataru Darshan in so many places, more than 6 places. Warsaw, Poland, Washington DC, Sripuram, Andheri, Mumbai, Houston, Kalahasti, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram. I welcome all of you who have gathered for the Kalpataru Darshan with my love and blessings. I can see London, Kashi also now. I'll expand on Kalpataru. Please listen. Maybe before entering into Kalpataru, just one more thing. Today, Chinese New Year. My blessings to all the devotees from Chinese background and China country. My blessings to whole China and all the Chinese people. And Singapore, my blessings for your celebration on Chinese New Year. My blessings, let us celebrate. And my blessings for all that snake dance, Chinese ritual, Chinese food, everything you are doing in Singapore. My blessings. Oh, that is why today everyone is in the red color. Chinese New Year, blessings. And Gong Sifa Chai. Gong Sifa Chai. My blessings. Gong Si Fa Chai. My blessings. I am with you all and we'll move to Kalpataru Darshan, the Nitya Satsang. Please listen. It is the power of completion you create and the power of space you create that makes my blessings into reality. You make the balloon, I infuse air into it. You make the visualization, I infuse energy into it. If the balloon as a whole, how much ever air I fill, it's not going to come to the shape. Same way, if your inner space has incompletions, how much ever Kundalini energy I pour into you, your body may jump, you may roll on the ground. I have a PhDs in rolling on the ground. People have done PhD, jumping and rolling. But that is not the ultimate result we need. I have people, if they start jumping and rolling, they will directly reach Biddi. Dubai, Atlanta, Ujjaini, all of them don't even need flight. Just by Kundalini jumping, they will reach Biddi. But understand, and I have specialists in jumping. Understand, jumping is only one symptom of Kundalini awakening. But what you want when it becomes reality is the result of Kundalini awakening. Ishta Siddhi, Ishwaratva. Please listen. I am not teaching superstitiousness. I am not teaching superstitious beliefs. What is actual superstitious belief, Constantly thinking you are going to be a failure, even though life is giving you so many success, is superstitiousness. Understand? Constantly believing you are going to be a failure, even though life is giving you so many good things, is superstitiousness. I am defining superstitiousness. So when I teach you the science of possibility, Ishwaratva, I am not giving you any false hope, or I am not teaching superstitiousness. I am teaching you the science of sadhya, possibility. Science of possibility. When you do the Kalpataru process, when you close your eyes and sit and meditate, when I guide you into that Kalpataru process, bring awareness inside you, one by one. First, create a space for what do you want to cause. I am giving you an example. If you want to cause health, see clearly, you already became healthy. See, I wanted to cause 10 lakh sannyasis to the planet Earth. 10 million. Sorry, 10 lakh is 1 million. 1 million sannyasis, active, intelligent, living enlightened sannyasis to the planet Earth. If I create a space for it, means already I am seeing 10 lakh sitting in front of me in samadhi, radiating, living in integrity, authenticity, responsibility, and enriching, causing, living enlightenment. I am already seeing. I am already seeing. Understand? 10 lakh sannyasis radiating enlightenment. If you are creating a space for health, just see it is already real, present. You already became healthy. You are living healthily. Now naturally your mind will not accept, no, already I have a knee pain, I can't even sit, I have a back pain, I am coughing, I am laughing, I am sneezing, I have a headache, all my spare parts are functioning on their own. How can I be healthy? Your mind will ask. Complete with one by one. Constantly having headache. Who is responsible? I developed that as a pattern. Come on, let me complete and drop. Constantly having cough. Who is responsible? I developed that as a pattern. Come on, let me complete and drop. That's the way I managed. See, my whole cough. I have not stopped even single day any of my program. Even if I don't have whole day inner awakening last few days, whole day Kalpatarus are going on. Today Kalpataru in 8 cities. 8 cities today Kalpataru. Whole day Kalpatarus are happening at different times. I have not stopped talking. I only completed with my cough and dropped. The good medicine for cough is going for a walk in the cold. That's what I did. In nice chill weather I went for a walk and cough became all right. Anyhow, you don't try this medicine, but you try completion. Listen, the incompletions you have, the doubts you have, if you think you may not be able to survive, complete, you may not be able to achieve. Many people think before becoming healthy I will die, before becoming wealthy I may die. No, please listen. You don't need to have so much hatred towards you, and you don't need to think you are not qualified to have a health or wealth. See, if anything belongs to the universe, belongs to you. Please understand. You have a right over everything of the universe, because you are the children of the universe. Children has every right over everything belongs to father and mother. You have a right over everything belongs to humanity. That is exactly the context from which I went for Parivrajaka. Some of my sadhus all the time fantasize about Parivrajaka. But you can't go to Parivrajaka as a beggar. These fellows are bloody beggars, I know. Irresponsible beggars, they will only go for begging, not for Parivrajaka. Parivrajaka, you should go as a king. See, when I went to Parivrajaka, I just know this whole universe belongs to me. I have a right over the whole universe. I am responsible for the whole universe. Same way, I have the right over the whole universe. From this context, you should live your life. Please listen. I am throwing so many ideas in front of you. In a way, I am bombarding you. But all these ideas align your inner space to cause what you want as reality. So step by step I am explaining. We can use today's satsang before every e-Kalpataru session for people to understand how to do the Kalpataru process. It's a very powerful process and technique you can do every day. First, pen down one desire you want to cause as reality. Don't pen down 2, 3 more. No, only one. This is a big problem with people who come for Kalpataru Darshan. The moment they get the phone to speak to me, that's it. They know when they will get the chance again, they don't know. Tama, 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 tama. My grandfather's brother's mother's son is having any pain. My uncle's aunt's cousin's dog ran away from the home. My cat's cousin brother's student's father's mother lost his dog. They start, please understand, I can cause any number of your thoughts as reality, but your inner space is not capable of receiving it. You are capable of receiving only one thought at a time. So pick up one thought. You want to cause it as reality. One thought you want to cause it as reality. And listen and pen down all the incompletions you have related to that desire. pen down all the incompletions you have about that desire. List it out. Start listing it out. Once your both lists are ready, the thought you want to cause as reality and all the incompletions around that thought. The incompletions means it may be a doubt, will I ever become healthy? Will I ever become wealthy? It may be a hatred towards yourself. I think sometimes you yourself develop a thought that you should not become healthy. This self-hatred. Sometimes self-denial. You think health is not part of your life. Will I become healthy is self-doubt. I should not become healthy, self-hatred. I can never become healthy, self-denial. This kind of SDHD patterns you carry, pen them down, write them down. The SDHD patterns you carry related to that one desire, one thought you want to cause as reality. Pen them down. Once your list is ready, the thought you want to cause as reality and all the incompletions, SDHD, you carry about the thought you want to cause it as reality. Pen down both the lists. The thought you want to cause it as reality. As I advised, every process pick up only one thought. Today when you are sitting for Kalpataru process, pick up only one thought. Tomorrow when you sit for a Kalpataru process, you can pick up another one thought. It can be different thought. Today you may do the Kalpataru process for health. Tomorrow you may do it for wealth. Day after tomorrow you may do it for having good relationships. You can do different. But during any process, during one process, do only one thought. So, first pen down in a very detailed way the one thought you want to cause it as reality. And all the self-doubt, self-hatred, self-denial, incompletions you have around that thought. And please listen. When these two lists are ready, sit with your eyes closed. See, now don't do, now I am only giving instruction. When these two lists are ready, sit with your eyes closed. Create a space for what you want to cause as reality. When I say create a space, I mean, for example, if you want to have wealth, $1 billion. See, already you have $1 billion. It has become reality. And whatever doubts, incompletions, hatred, SDHD you have, which is stopping you making your reality complete with that and drop it. For example, when you want to have health, when you are creating a space for health, you may have so many SDHD, self-doubt, hatred, denial. Complete all of that and drop and decide, I will hold on to the space of health. When you create wealth, the space for wealth, all your self-hatred, doubt, denials will come up. Declare very clearly, I am completing with all this self-doubt, hatred, denial, dropping it. Hold on to the space of wealth. Hold on to the space which you want to create as reality at least for 21 minutes. Then you will see all the incompletions, doubts, hatred, denial you have loses power over you, and the space you created gets infused with power, energy, Kundalini, Shakti. Your Kundalini and my Kundalini both. In front of Master's Kundalini, your Kundalini is only a small rat, Sundali. Understand? But when you create a sincere space for you, Master's Kundalini breathes energy into what do you want to create. When that Master's energy, life is infused into your space, your inner space gets prana pratishtha done. It gets the prana pratishtha happen. The prana pratishtha happens by it. So understand, the space you carry becomes reality when you properly go through the Kalpataru process. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Biradi, Bangalore, 562109. Contact 09742203311. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.